Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how much voice assistants have wormed their way into our daily lives? From turning on lights with a simple command to helping us shop online without lifting a finger, these digital helpers are revolutionizing the way we interact with our world. Let's dive into how voice assistants are not just gadgets but game changers in making our lives more convenient and productive. Imagine this, you're cooking, your hands are messy, and you need to set a timer. Back in the day, you'd have to wash your hands, set the timer, and maybe miss that perfect cooking moment. But now, just shout out to your voice assistant and consider it done. Efficiency at its best. But it's not all about convenience. Accessibility is a huge part of this technological evolution. For those with mobility issues or visual impairments, voice assistants are a lifeline. They make technology accessible to everyone, breaking down barriers and opening up a world of possibilities for all. Now, let's talk about the smart home. Your voice is now the ultimate remote control. Lights, thermostat, security cameras, you name it. And there's probably a way to control it with your voice. Going to bed and realized you left the kitchen lights on? No need to get up. Just ask your assistant to turn them off. This is not just smart, it's what we call living in the future. Moreover, the integration of voice assistants in our lives goes beyond mere tasks. They learn from us, adapt to our preferences, and sometimes even anticipate our needs. From curating a playlist that suits our mood to suggesting a recipe for dinner based on what's in our fridge, these assistants are getting smarter and more intuitive. But as we embrace this convenience, let's not forget the implications on privacy and security. Yes, they make life easier, but at what cost? It's crucial to stay informed and manage settings to protect our personal information. Always remember, with great technology comes great responsibility. To wrap it up, the role of voice assistants in our lives is growing exponentially. They're not just tools, they are our partners in navigating the complexities of modern life. Whether it's enhancing productivity, offering entertainment, or ensuring well-being, voice assistants are here to stay, transforming our daily lives one command at a time. Thanks for tuning in. Keep exploring and keep asking those smart questions to your even smarter assistant. See you in the next video.